Hello and welcome. This is Safa. In this session, we will learn how to create simple plots in MATLAB. The plot function is one of the most commonly used commands for 2D plotting. Okay, here a simple plot. Here we plot the sine function from 0 to 10 using the plot command. Okay, run. You can see here. Now adding title and axis label. With the title, X label and Y label command, we can add the title and axis label to the plot. Okay, run. Here you can see title, X label and Y label. And then changing line color and style. Here we draw a red dashed line. MATLAB supports many color and line style option. Okay, here we use red dashed line. Run, and you can see here. Okay, and now plotting multiple curves in one figure. We can plot multiple functions in the same figure, and with legend we add label to distinguish them. Okay, run. We can see here and the last one, multiple figures. Using the figure command, we can create multiple plots in separated windows. Okay, run, and here we go. In this session, we'll learn how to create simple plots with plot and how to add basic customization such as title, axis label, colors, and line style. Thanks for watching. This is Safa.